This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Secluded Cape Cod nestled amidst 32 acres of old-growth woods, this immaculately maintained, charming home features a classic floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 full and 1 half bath across 2 living levels. Enjoy the spacious kitchen with ample storage or the lovely sunroom overlooking the large pool. An additional 2-car detached garage, 1,000 square feet detached workshop and oversized pole barn promise unlimited potential for all your hobbies and adventures. The serene backdrop of the amazing acreage will ensure your tranquility and privacy, making this property an amazing find. Potential to convert a first-floor primary suite with renovation. Amazing location, minutes to the Mattaponi River, 10 minutes to West Point, 30 minutes to Gloucester Main Street. May 1, 2024. For more information, review the details below.